I like old cars. And a few years ago, I was selling an old car on Facebook Marketplace. I put up a $10,000 price as my decoy, as my anchor, knowing I wouldn't get it, knowing they would say no to it. My expectation was $8,000. My walkaway was $5,000. I was ready to get rid of that car. By the way, this is what we always want to do at every negotiation. What's our anchor? What's our expectation? What's our walkaway? My first offer was $9,300. My God, I was thinking, I can't believe this just happened. What do you think I did? Did I take that offer and be halfway to Tijuana? Or did I keep on negotiating? Why would I keep on negotiating? Because if I say yes to that person at $9,300, how might they walk away from that negotiation feeling? Oh my God, I overpaid. Why was that so easy? That was too quick. Oh my God, I should have gone in lower. What the hell happened? My wife's going to kill me. Then they're going to go back home. They're going to find every rip in the leather, every dent, every chip in the paint. They're going to call me up. They're going to say, hey, what's going on with the car? It's like they're going to take me to court. All these problems can happen because I didn't satisfy my buyer. But if I say, listen, I can't do $9,300, and then call them up the next day and say, listen, I've had some time to think about it, $9,300, you got yourself a deal, they're going to be so grateful. Thank you, Tony. Oh my God, the stars have aligned. My manifestation exercises are working. I can't believe I got the car. They're going to be satisfied. Why? Because humans, we need resistance. We need struggle. That's how we appreciate things. We live in a world of duality. We can't feel happiness without pain. We can't feel peace without struggle. Human beings, our system one, needs a little bit of an obstacle to be satisfied. So I want you to think of your buyers as like fishermen. They're fishermen. Your clients are fishermen. Imagine throwing a hook into the water, and all of a sudden you catch a fish and you reel it in, and it's like 2 seconds to reel it in, and you bring it up, and it's a limp fish, and you take it off, and you throw it in the bucket, and you throw your lure back in, and again, boom, you catch another fish. It's limp, 2 seconds to reel in. You'd be like, this sucks. I'm like, what the hell is this? This is not fun. We fish because we fight. We like to fight. We like to struggle. Your buyers also want the struggle. Your buyers also want the fight. That's what satisfies them. And how do we give them that fight? We say no to them. We say no. If sales is all about saying yes, 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 we can do that, yes, I can do that, negotiation is the opposite. No, 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 no. We want to say no to our clients, to our buyers. And when do we want to say no to them? As soon as the negotiation begins. That's how we want to set the tone of the negotiation. We say no to them when the buyer asks you for something. Hey, I need a better price? No. I call this the flinch. It happens immediately. Buyer, even if you can give them a better price, even if you have the flexibility, you still want to say no before you say yes. Flinch could be no, it could be making that face. The Japanese, who are wonderful negotiators, call it sucking air through their teeth. They'll do that. I once had a buyer in one of my seminars many, many years ago. He said he had an old school mentor who learned how to procure in the 1950s, and he would buy a box of glasses, spectacles from the pharmacy, $2 a pair, and every time a vendor would walk into his office and quote their price, he would take his glasses and he would smash them on the ground. Don't do that, by the way, but that was his version of the flinch. It's not about what you say. The important thing is that the message you're sending. The first message you need to send needs to be resistance. No, that's not going to happen. It's critical. And a lot of salespeople are scared to do that. Oh my God, what if I lose the deal? We got to do that. We got to say no. And after we've said no to them, now we can open up the opportunity and the possibility of saying yes to them.